Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw in your Figma design. So to draw in your Figma design, all you have to do is look towards the bottom. You'll find the options here and you will find, for example, lines and so forth. So if you want to draw lines, you can choose the lines that you have here. Or if you want something more freehand, look towards the right and here you'll find draw. You can click on that. Once you have this tool select, you can choose, for example, your pencil or whatever it is that you want to use. I'm going to choose, for example, a pencil. And yeah, you can choose whatever option you want. It's really up to you. You can choose the, let's say, the how the pencil is going to be, whether it's going to be straight or rough or whatever it is. You can choose it. So I'm going to choose, for example, this rough one here. And you can choose as well this right here as well, that basically going to make it how thick or how, basically how fat it's going to be, or how thick or how thin it's going to be. Right, so I'm going to leave it as is right here, and I'm going to show you. So I'm going to just draw something, as you can see, and I'm going to bring this up as well, and as you can see, it's going to make it like that. So that's how you can easily go ahead, and as I said, you can change them as well. So if I want to draw something like this, I can go ahead and so forth. Right, so that's how easy it is, guys, to draw in Figma. Very easy and very simple. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.